Today's video is brought to you by
me.
When I was in 4th grade, my teacher assigned my class a science project where you had to come up with your own experiment and present it at the end of the week to your class. You were paired in groups of 2, and I was paired with this other kid, and we came up with this speaker door alarm idea where you would open a door and it would trigger an alarm. Now, as 4th graders, we didn't have much experience with electricity. I think the most experience we had was sticking the 2 prongs of a 9-volt battery to your tongue and feeling the electric surge. So yeah, I guess we were experts in this field. What we had to do was come up with a diagram, explain how it works with that diagram, and then bring it to life and actually do it. However, we could never figure out how we were supposed to play a sound out of a speaker just by hooking it up to a battery, so we were never able to complete that project, and that's what brings me here today. This is an Mp3 Playback Device, and it's a bit overkill for what I'm going to be using for this project, but I had these laying around, so I may as well use this instead of getting a new one. Basically, all I did was solder these pins to the board, this terminal block header for the power, and a couple more pins here for the speaker. I also installed this 16GB micro SD chip. It's a bit overkill because there's 8 different tracks you can put on here, but we're only going to need 1. It also has a volume dial here, so we can adjust the volume. And yeah, if you want to pick up one of these, I'll leave a link in the description for one, and I will also include a video of a guy explaining it better than I do. The next step after getting this playback device ready is to make our alarm and upload it. Let's get to it. Alright, I made the alarm, I uploaded it to the device, and now the only thing left to do is to test it. So, I'll plug this wire into the ground, and we'll take the other end and just touch the first pin, and it should work. Huh. It's not working. It says here that this audio playback device will not work if there are 1 or more unsubscribed viewers. But that's okay, because we can bypass this by not pretending it's a subscriber issue and plug it into the power source.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Oh, hell no.
That is perfect. Alright, so now I have these switches. They have this little lever at the end with this little rolly bit, so anything that bumps into it, like a door, which we're going to be using, will trigger the switch. Now we just got to get it hooked up to this thing. That song, let me just tell you, that song is so good. Alright, I whipped it up in 20 minutes. Like, I swear, I can go back and look at it. Oh, let me just go back and look at it. Oh, okay, 40 minutes. I whipped that song up in 40 minutes. I mean, half my time was spent finding the audio, so let's say 30 minutes. I whipped it up in 30 minutes. If you want it, I'll figure out a way to get it to you guys. Alright, on with the video. For now, just to test it, I'm going to wedge this wire through here, if it'll let me. There we go, that'll work. And just connect it to the pins on this board. Cool, so let's test it again.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Oh, hell no.
It works.
Bob Burgers.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Not necessarily the door I imagined I put it on, but it is a door, so it still works. I flipped the switch from normally open to normally closed. That way when it opens, or when the button is released, it'll close the circuit. So anytime this opens,
Ain't nobody got time for that.
and now I can place my most valuable items in here. And next time it opens,
Ain't nobody got time for that. Oh, hell no.
and just for some fun, I asked my parents to help me get this cupboard open.
Gosh dang it. I can't even reach it.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Oh, hell no. Ain't nobody got time for that. Oh, hell no.
Thank you guys for watching. I know this was a quick little video, but this quick little video did take me a while to make, so I hope you guys like it. Between this and the gaming content, this is really all you're going to be seeing on the channel. And I'm not here to educate. If you can take something from this, that is cool. Otherwise, I'm just here to have fun. Again, if you want any of the things that I used in this video, the links will be in the description. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.